No, so it's a vacant sites levy proposal. So one of the things I was really conscious of during the property boom in Dublin was there was still some really big key sites in the city centre that were just remaining untouched, not developed. I'm a barrister, I have an office on Church Street. I was looking out at 2 or 3 of them every day, and I was going like, we've just had a serious phase of growth where developers are gobbling up green space, the city is sprawling, and why isn't these city centre sites being developed? And there is a problem with some people hoarding sites because they believe the property market will keep rising and they want to wait and wait and wait to get more money. And that has a cost on the city. Every time you have a vacant site in the city centre, that's a building that's not paying rates, that's people who can't be working there, people who can't be living there, who then have to travel from further afield. So what I want to do is to change the financial equation. So if you hold on to a site and don't develop it and it's zoned to be developed, you pay a financial price, a levy. So we've assembled this task force. We've got a great bunch of people in it from all stakeholders, from ICTU to IBEC, from academics to ESRI to property people, and we have pretty much signed off on a submission to propose this principle into the budget by the end of July. We will then work on how it might be implemented after that. But it's to do with the fact that I think Dublin, and we saw that information coming out today about property prices rising nationally, largely on the back of Dublin, because outside of Dublin they're still falling. We have a situation where I'm now afraid that people who own those sites will again hold on to them thinking, oh well, Dublin's recovering, if I wait another 3 or 4 years, I'll get my money back or whatever. There needs to be a financial cost to making that decision, because there's a financial cost to all of us when someone makes that decision. We have to make sure when Dublin grows again, it's different, it's sustainable, it's not sprawl, it's about looking at the core of the city. And this submission will focus on the core of the city, and that's what we were talking about and agreeing today.